Hello, I'm back. I'm going to show you the unboxing of Lersta by IKEA floor lamp. Let's open it up. Okay, now the box is empty. Here's what we got. I think this is the stand for the lamp, and this is actually the lamp, and then this is for the reflector. Okay, I'm going to assemble it and show it to you later.